Top 5 Best Rangefinder Camera. Top 1. Leica M6 0.85, box 2,432,917. Leica M6 1.85x Finder. Rare, only 3,130 ever made. Made in Germany. Top 2. Leica M6 TTL 0.72 Silver 10,434. Leica M6 TTL, one of the best rangefinder that Leica made with great quality. Top 3. Leica M7 0.72 35mm rangefinder camera. High quality construction. Automatic exposure setting. Clear rangefinder. Battery operated. Top 4. Leica M Monochrom, Type 246, digital rangefinder camera, body, 24MP, black and white image sensor. Top 5. Zeiss Contax G1 camera, green label with Contax Biogon T28mm f2.8 f2.8 lens.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.